This episode of Soldier Knows Best is brought to you by Domain.com. Hey, what's up guys, Soldier Knows Best here about to give you a quick look at the Windows 8 release preview. So this is the version right before Microsoft finalizes everything and gets ready to release Windows 8 out to the general public. So I did a video a couple months ago showing you, I think the developer preview, I think that was the name of it. But anyway, this is the version that came out just a couple days ago and you can download it. So I'm gonna show you how to download this in a second. And then we go full screen, and I am running this via virtualization on my Mac. I'm using VMware Fusion. You can also use Parallels, which are virtualization software that allows you to run multiple OSs on one single OS like this Mac OS. So anyway, I digress. So here is Windows 8. This is the Metro UI. Again, they do have the regular desktop version for those people who are not really big fans of Metro UI. You can still go here and do the desktop. The regular desktop way if you wanted to, all this stuff. So I've been messing around with this. I really haven't seen anything that different from Windows 7 in this regular view mode. But Microsoft did tell us that they do have some things in store for us and some more surprises for Windows 8 in general as they get ready for the official release for it. So anyway, again, the Metro UI is pretty similar to it. They did change a couple of things here. Like one thing in the mail folder here, if you do have multiple folders, if you want to pin one of these folders to the start menu or to your home screen there, you can actually do that. Just right click on it and pin to start, and you can name it whatever you want to. And now you come back here. So if you have a couple folders that you always go to, you can quickly get to that folder just by clicking on that from the start menu there. So I do like that little change. They did change some things in the calendar, and also another change that wasn't in the last release is that now it does have Flash support for the Metro UI. So if you do open up Internet Explorer, I am able to go to YouTube and now be able to watch the videos and watch Flash videos. Microsoft is working with Adobe currently to make this special version of Flash for the Metro UI itself. So all websites won't be able to you won't be able to go to every single website that supports Flash because it's just not going to work. And so Microsoft is kind of going to have a list of websites that are compatible with this new version of Adobe Flash, which it's kind of a bummer. But again, if you do need to use the full internet, you can go back to the desktop UI, and you can also open up Internet Explorer, and you can start searching whatever you want to start searching just like normally. So anyway, that's one of the new things that they added, the Flash support for it. And also too, it does have some new applications. If I can find the App Store, where are you? Where are you, App Store? Where are you? Where is it? Store, there it is down below. I'm still trying to get my bearings in here. But anyway, they did add some new applications. Now, I did have some problems because I'm not able to install any applications right now in this version for some reason. So that is one of the bugs that I have uncovered here. Other people have installed some of the new apps and they said they run pretty swell. I'll use that word. But anyway, for my reason, I couldn't install any of these apps right here for some odd reason. So I'll try to work on that, and I may make another video, or I may just wait for the official release to talk about whatever these new apps are. But in my last version that I did talking about Windows 8, I did like all the different apps and the way they kind of adopted that Metro UI look. And I think the main thing people have been noticing is that this new version is just very smooth as I switch between different apps here in this multitasking pane. Just scroll your mouse over to the top left-hand corner. Now you can go through here and change the PC settings and all the different apps that you do have open. I'm able to get through these very easily, and just looking at some of my Facebook photos here. When I went over to Germany last year, I'm able to look at those things and just really going between different apps and things like that. Again, you can also have multiple apps open at the same time if you wanted to by scrolling like that. And again, I am running this in virtualization software, so you do see it is lagging a little bit, but I've seen videos of people just installing this on a fresh computer and it's just running very smoothly with no problems at all. And of course, when I want to close something out, right click that, close it out, and you're set to go. All right, so that's everything I wanted to show you as far as some of the new things in this new Windows 8 release preview. But if you want to go ahead and download this yourself, let me get out of this full screen here. And you can go ahead and download this from this link. I'll put the link down below. This link is way too long for me to go ahead and say right now. Once you go to this link, you can download the 64-bit or the 32-bit version. And again, there is a size difference there, so you may want to take note to that. And also, the product key is located right down below right there. And Microsoft will be, shutting down this little preview after the official release. I don't know how long, but after a while, that product key will stop working. And also, too, Microsoft has told us that starting June the 2nd of this year and going through January 31st of next year, 2013, if you buy a computer in between that time frame that has Windows 7 installed on it, you will be able to upgrade to Windows 8 when it finally comes out for only $15. So that's not a bad deal. Now, for everybody else who already has a computer, you probably won't have to pay a little bit more, actually a lot more than $15 to upgrade. But Microsoft hasn't came out and said any details about those prices just yet. So anyway, guys, this is almost everything I wanted to show you about Windows 8. But before we head out here, let's going to take one last look at our sponsor for this video. And today's sponsor is Domain.com, which is a one-stop shop. If you're looking to start up a new website, new blog, whatever, you're looking to make a new website like Soldier Knows Best is myhero.com, you can actually go there and set up a domain name very, very easily. It's just a few simple steps. And they also strongly recommend using a .com. So if you set up the website, you don't want to use soldierknowsbest.org or .biz. I mean, you may in some cases, but more than likely, you probably want to go with a .com because it's more recognizable. Everybody knows what a .com is. It'll help ease up the confusion. Plus, they have a very active social media presence. So if you need some help, need some customer support, instead of emailing them, you can actually follow their Twitter handle, which is domain.com, all that spelled out, and they actually give you customer support right there on Twitter, which I think is awesome. And for all my Soldier Knows Best viewers, yes, you guys out there, they're giving you a really good deal. So if you use the coupon code SOLDIER at checkout, they're giving you a 20% off discount off of your order. So they used to be 15%, now they're giving you 20%, so that's nice. So again, if you go to domain.com, use the coupon code SOLDIER, you get 20% off your order, so definitely check it out. All right, again, thanks for watching this video, guys. Please leave a comment down below what you think about the evolution of Windows 8. How do you like the Metro UI? Is this something you want to upgrade to in the future? Leave that comment down below. And thanks for watching, guys, and I will catch you later. Peace.